Did you know a respected baker in Alaska was secretly one of America's most twisted serial killers? Robert Hansen seemed like the perfect family man. He ran a successful bakery in Anchorage and had a wife and kids. But from 1971 to 1983, he kidnapped 17 women. Hansen would fly them to remote wilderness locations in his small plane. Then he'd strip them naked, give them a head start, and hunt them like wild animals with rifles and crossbows. He buried their bodies in shallow graves that weren't found for decades.